What makes that sound? This is a story by Claire Repp, illustrated by Todd Gardner. So Claire wrote the story and Todd drew the pictures for us. Gabby is taking a walk in the park. She hears sounds as she walks through the park. What sounds does Gabby hear? Gabby hears a sound. Gabby hears crackle, crackle, crackle. What makes that sound? Gabby looks behind a tree. She sees a rabbit in the leaves. The leaves move and make that sound. Gabby hears a sound. Gabby hears peck, peck, peck. What makes that sound? Gabby looks up. She sees a woodpecker pecking on a tree. The woodpecker makes that sound. Gabby hears a sound. She hears strum, strum, strum. What makes that sound? Gabby looks down the hill. She sees a man playing a guitar. The guitar makes that sound. Gabby hears a sound. Gabby hears ding, ding, ding. What makes that sound? Gabby turns around. She sees a woman ringing the bell on her bike. The bell makes that sound. Gabby hears a sound. Gabby hears rumble, rumble, rumble. What makes that sound? Gabby looks at the sky. She sees a thunderstorm coming. The thunder makes that sound. Gabby likes finding what makes sounds, but thunder makes Gabby walk home. The end.